Assalamualaikum and hi, we are from group 5 and our business name is Sweet Bakery. Our members group name is Arif bin Ahmad Ibrahim, Nur M. Nisa Idayu binti Razali, Muhammad Amar bin Asman, Nur Shasha binti Muhammad Nur, Nur Intan Akila binti Muhammad Yusuf, Syahira binti Rahim, and Nurin Sahira binti Muhammad Sattar Espendi. I am Nurin Sahira binti Muhammad Sattar Espendi, and now I will explain about our company background. Okay, so for our company background, Sweet Bakery is a leading manufacturer of bakery goods in Penang. The idea came to give this bakery shop Sweet Bakery because, in our opinion, sweet is synonym with cakes and other pastries. The product that we offer come in a vast variety such as butter cake, banana cake, muffin, chiffon cake, Swiss roll, and other pastry too. Sweet Bakery started operating in January 2020 at Shop Lot Bandar Berda, Penang. This bakery is a partnership business that shared by several members. Okay, now I will continue about vision, mission, and objective for our company. Okay, for visions, to be the best company in Malaysia and food, beverage, and halal technology industry. While for missions is to seek to provide quality, superior value, and service to meet our customer needs. Last one, for our company objective is creating business opportunities, confectionery in this bakery and industry, and taking advantage of the modern food processing.
I will explain about journal for our company, Sweet Bakery. Basically, there are 6 journal in basic accounting. It was a general journal, purchase journal, sales journal, cash receipt journal, cash payment journal, and purchase return journal. For general journal, it was what we bring to our company, such as capital, office equipment, and others. General journal also include a withdrawal. It means we took a capital from company for personal use. In January, capital for Sweet Bakery is 1,3900 and 139,940. For purchase journal, for January it was 250, and for February purchase journal is 700. For sales journal, for January it was 380, and for February it was 1,550. For cash receipt journal, it's to keep track of the sales of items when cash is received by crediting sales and debiting cash and transactions related to receipts. In January, sales was 1,530, debtors was 2,500, cash 1,530, and bank 2,500. For February, sales 1,215, for debtors 1,000, cash 1,415, and bank was 800. For purchase return, to record the good which are returned to suppliers. It means customer return goods to company that where they are buy. For January, Saleh and Puan Alia return good to us. That total cost was 350. For February, we return good to Sinacham neighborhood, cost 150. Lastly, cash payment journal. It is used to record all the payments that entity made by cash. It means Sweet Bakery make a payment to the other companies. For example, Sweet Bakery pay to Unify for telephone bill. Sweet Bakery also pay to Renhill for water bill. We also paid salaries to our workers and is recorded in this journal. In February, we paid salaries to our workers for 7,200.
Next is ledger. We use the ledger for recording business transaction. We make use of a ledger book which may contain many accounts. In the ledger, the accounts are ruled as follows, like this picture. At the top, we must write name of account. At the left account, we must is debit side, and at the right account is credit side. Both sides need to have a date, details, and amount. Then transaction involving cash, we need record at the cash account. For example, capital. At the capital Nana account, we record cash at the credit side 100,000. After that, at the for next example, drawings Nana account. At the debit side, have a cash and purchase 100 and 100 ringgit, and then the cash is recorded to cash account at the credit side 100 ringgit, and the purchase will be recorded at the purchase account at the credit side for the next slide. Next example is bank account. Transaction involving debts and check will be recorded in bank accounts. This is because the bank will deduct our money that is in the bank. Then purchase account have at the debit side have a H&Z Enterprise 300 ringgit, and will be recorded at H&Z Enterprise account. Then drawings Nana, like drawings Nana account. Big Boss Enterprise at the will record at the Big Boss Enterprise at the debit side, because in the purchase account, the Big Boss Enterprise will record credit side. Next is car account. At the debit side is cash, and the cash will recorded at the cash account at the credit side. Then Sinacham Sendirian Berhad account. At the debit side is cash and will recorded at the cash account. At 9 January, purchase return will recorded at the purchase return account. Then 7 February is cash and will recorded at the cash account. And the debit side 19 and 28 February is the bank transaction bank and at the bank account will be recorded at the credit side. Next, on other accounts that I have not explained, most of them are transactions like I described earlier. Only on this sale account there is a credit transaction that our customer buys on credit or debt that does not involve cash. For example, sale account at the debit side, 10 January, 6 February, 17 February and 27 February is the credit transaction or debt. For the last, I will explain about balance carried down and balance brought down. For example, look at debtors account. Look at the credit side. Puan Alia, RM380, and we must make the account for January and February is balanced, so we must write balance carried down 380, and the balance CD at the debit side will go to at credit side for February and will change balance brought down at the same amount. When finished making the ledger for the credit section, we need to see how much more is left to balance this credit and debit side. After that, the value we add is the balance carried down. The value of the balance carried down or balance CD will be brought into the trial balance.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nurul Shasha binti Muhammad Noor. Today I would like to present about the trial balance. The trial balance is the list of the general ledger's account. Trial balance also will contain the name of each nominal ledger and value of that nominal ledger balance. Each nominal ledger account will hold either a debit balance or a credit balance. So this is for the trial balance example that I get from Google. The amount on debit side would be the same with the amount on the credit side. If there's not same, there's something wrong on the ledger's account on our business report. So let's move to the trial balance of Sweet Bakery. So this is our trial balance of Sweet Bakery. This trial balance was calculated based on the ledger. As you can see, the amount, the value on debit side and credit side was same. It showed us that it balanced. That means there's no entry error has made from the journal on our business report. Okay, that's all from my presentation today. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, saya Nur Intan Akila binti Muhammad Yusof. I will present to you about income statement for our business that called Sweet Bakery Enterprise. An income statement or profit and loss account is one of the financial statement of a company and shows the company's revenues and expenses during a particular period. It indicates how the revenues are transformed into the net income or net profit. The purpose of the income statement is to show managers and investors whether the company made money or lost money during the period being reported. Income statement for Sweet Bakery on 1 February 2020. In revenue, we have sale return,
purchase and purchase returns. In expenses, we have 9 expenses, which is rent, office chair, water bill, office expenses, equipment repair, salaries, electricity, telephone bill and table. Last but not least, in our income statement, we achieved the net loss, not the net profit, which is 19,140. It is because revenue less than expenses. That's all from me.
Hello, I'm Shaira binti Rahim. So I want to present about balance sheet, or the other's name is financial statement. It is used to evaluate our business. Assets, capital, and liabilities are shown in the balance sheet. Assets will be equal capital plus liabilities. As you can see, this is balance sheet for our business. First thing first, we have to calculate the fixed asset. The fixed asset we have is car at the 30,000 ringgit, and we have to minus the provision for depreciation of car at 6,000 ringgit, and the total fixed asset we have 24,000 ringgit. We move to the current asset, which is cash, bank, debtors, and deposit. We have to calculate this, and the total current asset for our balance sheet is 58,955 ringgit. And for the current liability, we have one and only creditor for the current liability at the 200 ringgit, and the total of current liability is 200 ringgit. Forget the working capital, we have to minus total current asset and total current liability. So we get the working capital at the 58,755 ringgit, and we have to add with the fixed asset, and we get the fixed asset and plus working capital at the 82,755 ringgit. And for the last step, we have to finance by as the formula capital plus net profit and less drawing. So we get 80,460 ringgit.
Okay, lastly, for the conclusions, based on the above finance, it can be concluded that the finance for Sweet Bakery have a high value. This can further expand the existing business by opening another branch under the name Sweet Bakery. In addition, this can also help to increase the number of employees in Sweet Bakery, so that work and service can run smoothly. Besides that, it also can increase the quantity of productions to increase profit in business.